Welcome to the Google Analytics and Search Console Webmaster Tools training. So first of all, we'll sign into the account that we are working on. So if it's the client account, then just go into the file and find the Google account for the client. If it's a lead generation, then you'll find that in the gather all project, all the information will be in this part. Or if you still can't find the information, then you should be able to find the information in the all project sheet that you can then open up. Not like that. So you go into your project sheet. So email, So just to get there, I just wrote into Google login, and it just took me to a page where I could log into Google. So it's that simple. If you can't find anything, Google it. And then I'm going to find the password. Okay, we're in. Next, we go to analytics.google.com. And we'll click on Start Measuring. So my new account name. So each account we need to recognize. So to name the account something that we can find. We got so many websites with different, all their own accounts. So this will be the Carpenter Perth. And okay, Google sharing, benchmarking, technical support. Okay, we'll just say yes to all of those, makes us look real. And then property name, we'll just do Carpenter Perth, and you could just do lead gen. So the property name, Carpenter Perth, keep it simple, and then we're doing it for the lead gen, so I'll just put lead gen on there. But as long as you got the name of the business that we're doing it for, that's pretty much what you want. If we do another Google Analytics account for the same account, this lead gen just kind of differentiates so we can know what it's for exactly. Okay, so make your time zone Perth, because it's the come to Perth, so time zone Perth. Currency value, probably best just to do it in Australian dollars, do it in the value that we're getting paid in that country. Next. So business information. So category Carpenter. So let's see. I'm just going to find the right thing. So probably home and garden. Business size. Use your noggin. If it's client, try and figure out what their how many employees they've got. If it's just a lead gen, normally it will be 1 to 10. Depends though if we're doing it for like a big lead gen for something just kind of ask out if you need any help with that one. But normally 1 to 10. How do you intend to use Google Analytics for your business? Measure customer engagement with my site. Optimize my site. Optimize advertising costs, increase my conversions, measure content monetization, analyze the online sale, measure lead generation. So they're the 4 that I've clicked, and they're probably the 4 that you'd want. measure customer engagement, optimize site, increase my conversions, measure lead generation, and then create terms of service, choose your country, Australia, accept the terms of service because that's where you're using it, so accept and then accept. Look real, so in the email communications, click that you would accept some feedback, maybe not offers because then it's going to be so many, so I'll just go with that. Brill, now we're all done. So now you're here, we want to set up a stream to start collecting data, so we click on web, set up, and then website URL thecarpenterperth.com.au, and stream name the carpenter. Okay, and then we'll create the stream. Okay, so now copy the measurement ID and then we'll go over to the page you're in, and you will click on the Google Sheet that you want, and then what we'll do is we'll scroll down and we'll actually go over to Spoonfed Solutions. This should all be filled out, so we'll just ignore this. So in this field here we will put the carpenterperth.com.au. Oh, that should be lowercase, but it doesn't matter. And then Google Analytics. So then we put our ID that we just copied in there, like so. Okay, now that's done. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to Tag Manager